Let's talk more about those freezing conditions, making cleanup in Maryland just such a tough task with all of that snow and the slush just icing over.
Yes, creating a lot of unsafe conditions for many people in Prince George's County. And DC News Now's Tim Reed hears from some frustrated families.
County leaders say work crews are doing the best they can to clear away snow and ice off streets and roadways. But some residents say they are frustrated and want to know why it's taking so long to get the job done. Snowplow crews are still working around the clock to put down salt and remove snow and ice in many areas of Prince George's County.
I think it's a little disappointing.
Riverdale resident Saul Meadow is among many who are frustrated that it's taking the county so long to clear the roads from snow and to treat icy roads.
I'm new out here. It's my first year living out here. It doesn't seem that bad if I'm to compare it to other places I've seen. But I feel like they could do a little better in clearing the roads. We hope to see that quite soon.
More than 6 inches of snow was dumped in PG County when the snowstorm hit on Monday. County Council Chairperson Jolene Ivy says crews are doing the best they can to clear the roads of snow.
It is frustrating. It's frustrating for anyone who lives in an area that hasn't yet seen a plow. We have 2,000 miles of roads that DPW&T has to clear.
She says there are more than 200 trucks and more than 500 people working to clear the roads. But some say more needs to be done to keep the roads safe.
Roads seem kind of bad. It's a little risky driving through that snow, some a little hilly. So
county officials say crews are working 12-hour shifts, 24 hours a day to clear the roads. In Riverdale, Maryland, Tim Reed, DC News Now.